This 2023 Palomino Puma 27 RLSS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Palomino is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bath, front bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.